So I figured since I couldn't get out of my house, I would get out of my comfort zone and make a yoga video. If you're like me and you're going a little bit stir crazy, probably spending a lot of time sitting on your bottom or laying down on the couch, your back might be stiff. And so I thought I would do a few real easy yoga poses to work with stiffness in the back. So we'll get started. So starting in a tabletop, fingers spread wide, shoulders over elbows over wrists, and hips over knees. Nice long spine. Press the floor away. Don't collapse into your shoulders. Start to gently warm up your spine with cow and cat. So you're gonna drop your belly, lift your gaze. Gently reverse that motion, round your shoulders, drop your head. So move with your own pace, with your own breath, very gently. Those of us of a certain age are a little bit creaky these days. And just one more. And return to a neutral spine. And so from here, we're going to go to downward facing dog. So fingers still spread wide. Tuck your toes, lift your hips. So your feet are about 6 or 8 inches apart. You've got a gentle bend in your knees. You're not locked out. Heels are headed towards the mat. So your head and neck should be relaxed and loose, making that inverted V shape with your body. So you should feel some stretchiness here in your back. And feel free to stay here as long as you want to, as long as it feels okay in your body to have your head upside down like this. So I'd say 30 seconds or a minute if you can do it. And when you're ready, drop your knees wide to the mat, sit back on your heels, let your forehead touch the mat, extend your arms long. And once your body finds the shape, try to relax around it. See if you're holding any tension elsewhere in your body, and let it go. Sometimes our jaw, sometimes our shoulders. Now we'll move on, because I'm trying to keep this video short. So tuck your toes underneath you. Drop your head as close to your knees as you can. Be aware of your neck. Make sure you're okay there. Hold on to your feet. And again, relax around it. Feel a little tug in the lower back. So ideally you would hold this for a minute or so. But in the interest of time, we're not going to hold it that long. Good. Release. And come up. Crawl to the front of your mat. Cross your ankles behind you. You're going to come to lay on your back. Cross your right ankle over your left knee. Bring your left heel in close to your body. Start by just pressing your knee away. If you don't get much sensation there, then hug your left knee in. Hold on to your shin or the back of your thigh. So this is reclined pigeon, and it works your hip and your lower back. And so I'd encourage you to pause the video now if you want to. Maybe set a timer for 2 minutes, because this is one of those that you really want to settle into. So again, relax around it, release tension elsewhere in the body. So we'll move on. So uncross, cross again. Again, pull your heel in close to your body, press the knee away. And then if you decide to, reach through and hold onto your shin. So if you want to pause the video here, give yourself a minute or so. So hug your knees into your chest. Maybe bring your forehead up to touch your knees. Release it back down. Drop your knees over to the right. Knees are pretty much equal with your hips. Extend your arms in a T. Keep both shoulders on the mat. Look to the other side. You'll hold this for about a minute. When you're ready, switch sides, switch your gaze. It's one of those that you'll be able to really tell a difference in the tightness on either side of your body. Just good information to have. When you feel even, return to center. Move your knees from side to side. Maybe put the soles of your feet together. Open your knees up for butterfly legs. Relax around it. And you can stay there for as long as you want to. But we're going to wrap up. So I hope you enjoyed this very short quarantine yoga video. Namaste.